Good morning, students. Let's start with the second half of the chapter, The White Elephant. As we know, students, that the white elephant went near the stranger to help him, as he could not bear to think anyone in trouble. But, students, let's see what happens when he went there. Yes, students, the forester was a greedy and cunning man. He knew that the king's favorite elephant had died. Now the king will reward me richly, thought the man, if I capture this fine animal for him. I straightway asked for a royal audience. The king was delighted. Delighted means, students, happy. The king was delighted when he heard the description of the white elephant. I would love to possess such a fine creature. Go back to the forest with a band of my most skillful trainers, and if they succeed in capturing this rare white elephant, you shall be well rewarded. Means, if they will be able to catch that white elephant for me, then I will give you a prize. Reward means, students, prize. The forester had cunningly noted landmarks while riding back to Banaras, and he led the trainers to the lake where the white elephant was gathering bamboo stems for his mother's evening meal. Meal means, students, you can say evening snacks or food. When the elephant saw the forester with a band of trainers, he knew he had been betrayed. Betrayed means, students, deceived, धोखा देना. He knew he had been betrayed. He tried to escape, but the trainers pursued him. Pursue means, students, follow करना. He tried to escape, but the trainers pursued him. They follow him and soon succeeded in capturing him. Then they led him through the forest and entered Banaras in triumph. Yes, what happens, students, according to this? Forester was very greedy and selfish person. He thought, if I inform the king about this rare beautiful white elephant, then the king would reward me. Means I will get a great reward. Now king's favorite elephant had died. He knew very well, students, that the king is a lover of elephants, and he feels very happy when a rare white elephant is added to his table. And hearing to the students, the king ordered his trainers to go and capture the elephant. And the trainers went and captured the elephant. Now, the poor mother elephant, waiting for her son to return, felt certain that he had been captured. "Oh, what shall I do without him?" she cried. "Who will bring me food and lead me to the lotus lake for water?" The heart of her son was equally heavy. Means he was quite worried about mother also. What will she do without me? He thought, if only I had listened to her advice. He thought that I should listen to my mother's advice. I should not go to help that strangers. In spite of his unhappy look, the elephant found favor with the king, who declared he would ride no other animal. The elephant's stable was richly decorated in his honor, and the king rode him in a straight through the city. But a few days later, the trainers came to the king in a great distress, saying, "Your Majesty, the white elephant is very sick and will eat nothing." The king hurried to the stable, and when he saw the elephant's look of despair means, students, loss of hope, means he becomes very sad. When he saw the elephant's look of despair, he said, "Good animal, how you have changed? Why do you refuse to eat? Anything you wish will be granted to you, means I will provide you whatever you want. Now students, Mother Elephant very well realized that her son had been captured. She became very sad. The white elephant also quite worried about his mother. Then white elephant then thought, I should listen to my mother. White elephant also became sad. Now white elephant was kept in a beautiful stable, but he refused to eat anything. And when the trainers reported the king that white elephant is sick and eating nothing, then students, the king went to the elephant stable to see him. What happened? He asked the elephant about his problem. The white elephant told the king that he wanted to go back to his poor blind mother who could not live without him. Come to next page, students. Great king, answered the elephant mournfully. Mournfully, students, sorrowfully. All I desire is to return to my poor blind mother in the forest. For while she is alone and starving, how can I eat? Means, if my mama has not eaten anything, how can I eat? I will also not eat anything. Now, the king was a good king, students, and although he badly wanted the elephant for himself, he said at once, Noble animal, your goodness puts mankind to shame. I give you your freedom to return to your mother at once. And at this, the elephant thanked the king with a loud trumpeting and left the city and went crashing back through the forest. When he reached the cave, he found to his joy that his mother was still alive. Ah, my son, she said. Ah, my son, when he told his story, you should have listened to me. Human beings have always brought harm to our race. Then the white elephant replied triumphantly, Not all of them, mother. The king is noble and generous, or I should still be in captivity. Captivity means imprisonment, or I should still be in captivity. Now, mother, let's forget the treachery of the forester and think only of the king's goodness. Yes, students, though the king loved elephant so much, but still he allowed him to return to his mother. The white elephant went back to forest and was overjoyed, means become very happy to find his mother alive. Now students, the mother elephant told him that the human beings are very clever and greedy. But the white elephant replied that Mama, some human beings are equally good. Exactly, students, no two humans are the same. Now, students, what should we learn from the story? Yes, we should learn that we should always follow or we should always listen to our parents' advice. As students, life is a mixture of bad and good, sweet and sour experiences. Like the white elephant, students, one should also have a positive attitude to life. We should try to accept whatever is positive and good and ignore whatever is negative and bad, students. Hope you all understand the chapter written and be a very good person and helpful person like the king as well as the white little elephant. Thanks and have a nice day.